Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on systems of linear equations solved algebraically. So we have here example number 1. We have the system here. Y plus 2x equals 3 and x plus y equals 7. So we can solve this one using substitution method and elimination method. So we're going to do the two ways of solving linear equations. So let's have first solving this one using substitution. So this is by substitution. So by substitution, what we're going to do is we're going to express an equation here using any of the two variables, using y or x. Then after expressing that equation into a variable, we're going to substitute that value to another equation. So in this example, we can use here equation 1, y plus 2x equals 3, and you can express this one in terms of y. So doing that, we can have y, then equals 2x transposed to the right side will become negative 2x, then plus 3. Now, y here is equal to negative 2x plus 3. So this is the value of y that you're going to substitute to the other equation. So the other equation is x plus y equals 7. Then we'll just substitute y here with negative 2x plus 3. So we're going to have x plus y. So we're going to use negative 2x plus 3. Then this is equal to 7. Then this is x, then negative 2x, then plus 3 equals 7. X minus 2x, that will be negative x. Then we're going to transpose 3 to the right side, so that this will become 7 minus 3, and that is equal to 4. Then this is negative x here, so making this one positive, we're going to multiply the equation by negative 1. So this is x here equals negative 4. So we have here x equals negative 4. So what we're going to do next is we're going to find the value of y using this equation here. So y equals negative 2x plus 3. So substituting x with negative 4, we can have y equals negative 2 times negative 4, then plus 3. Then this will become negative 2 times negative 4 is 8, then plus 3. So y here will be equal to 11. So x is negative 4 and y is 11. Therefore, the solution of this system will be the point negative 4, 11. Then we can also solve this one by elimination. So by elimination, what you're going to do is you're going to eliminate a variable to find the value of another variable. Then here, in the equation we have y plus 2x equals 3 and x plus y equals 7. So if you have observed y in the first equation and y in the second equation have the same numerical coefficient. So we can simply eliminate these two by subtracting the two equations. So let's arrange first the terms in the first equation. So first equation we can have 2x plus y equals 3. Second equation is x plus y equals 7. Then subtracting the 2 so that we can eliminate y. So 2x minus x is x. Y minus y is 0, so we have eliminated y. Then 3 minus 7 equals negative 4. So we have here x equals negative 4. And after having the value of x, we'll just substitute this value to any of the two equations here. So let's try to use equation 1. Equation 1 is y plus 2x equals 3. So if x is negative 4, we're going to have y plus 2 times negative 4 equals 3. So this is y. Then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Then equals 3. Then solving for y here will be equal to 3 plus 8 equals 11. So we have here negative 4 and 11, the same with number 1. So our solution will be negative 4, 11. Example number 2, we have here the system 4x minus 3y equals 11 and 2x plus 3y equals 13. So let's have first by substitution. So in here, we can express equation 1 in terms of x. So you can have equation 1 as 4x equals 3y plus 11. Then dividing both sides by 4, x here will be equal to 3y plus 11 divided by 4. So this will be the value of x that you're going to substitute to equation number 2. So we're going to have here equation number 2, 2x plus 3y equals 13. Then we're going to substitute x with 3y plus 11 over 4. So we're going to have 2 times 3y plus 11 over 4 and plus 3y equals 13. Then multiplying here, we have 6y plus 22 over 4 plus 3y equals 13. Then we have a denominator 4 here, so we can eliminate this one by multiplying the equation by 4. So multiplying the equation, we are going to have 4 times 6y plus 22 over 4, that will be 6y plus 22. And 4 times 3y will be 12y. And 4 times 13 will be 52. Then 6y plus 12y is 18y. Then 52 minus 22, that will be 30. Then dividing both sides by 18, we can have y equals 30 over 18. Or simplifying this one, we can divide the numerator and denominator by 6. So we're going to have 5 over 3. So this will be the value of y. Then finding the value of x, we're going to use this one. X equals 3y plus 11 over 4. So this will become x equals, the value of y is 5 over 3. So we're going to have 3 times 5 over 3 plus 11 over 4. So x here will be equal to 3 times 5 over 3 is 5. So 5 plus 11 over 4. So 5 plus 11 is 16. So we're going to have x equals 16 over 4. That will be equal to 4. So our solution here will be the point 4, then 5 over 3. Then by elimination, what we're going to do here is we're going to look at a variable with the same numerical coefficient or the same value of numerical coefficient. So in here, if we're going to look at the equations, in y, the first equation is negative 3, and y in the second equation's numerical coefficient is 3. So we can just eliminate y by adding the 2. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. So doing that, equation 1 plus equation 2, we're going to have 4x minus 3y equals 11 plus 2x plus 3y equals 13. You can have 6x here. Then negative 3y plus 3y is 0. So y is eliminated. 11 plus 13 is 24. Then dividing both sides by 6, we are going to have x equals 4. Then substituting this value of x to any of the two equations, let's use equation number 1. So this is 4x minus 3y equals 11. So if x is 4, we're going to have 4 times 4, then minus 3y equals 11. So this will be 16, and minus 3y equals 11. Then negative 3y here will be equal to 11 minus 16. Then this is negative 3y equals 11 minus 16 is negative 5. Then dividing both sides by negative 3, we're going to have y equals 5 over 3. So we have the same answer in substitution. So our solution here will be the point for 5 over 3. Example number 3, we have here the system 8x minus y equals 7 and 6x minus 3y equals negative 6. So by substitution, we're going to have, or we can use equation 1. So we can express this one in terms of y. So expressing that one into y, we are going to have negative y equals negative 8x plus 7. Then make this one positive by multiplying the equation by negative 1. We're going to have y equals 8x, then this is minus 7. So this will be the value of y that we're going to use in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is 6x minus 3y equals negative 6. Then we're going to substitute the value of y. So this will become 6x minus 3 times 8x minus 7. Then this will be equal to negative 6. Then this is 6x. The negative 3 times 8x is negative 24x. And negative 3 times negative 7 is positive 21. And this is equal to negative 6. Then 6x minus 24x, this is negative 18x. Then this will become negative 6 minus 21, and that will be negative 27. Then dividing both sides by negative 18, we're going to have here x equals 27 over 18. And simplifying this fraction here, this is equivalent to 3 over 2. So dividing the numerator and denominator by 9. So x here is 3 over 2. So we have here y equals 8x minus 7. So substituting x with this value here, we're going to have y equals 8 times 3 over 2 minus 7. Then this is equal to cancel. This is 4 here. This is 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. Then minus 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So our solution here will be the point 3 over 2, 5. Then by elimination method, in here we cannot have a variable with the same numerical coefficient. So what we're going to do is we're going to select which variable we are going to eliminate. Now if we're going to eliminate y, we need to multiply equation 1. So we're going to multiply this equation with 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 3, we can have the result as 8x times 3, that will be 24x. Then negative y times 3, that will be negative 3y. And this is equal to 7 times 3, that will be 21. So we can have this one as equation number 3. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and the result here will be equation 3. Now, to eliminate y, we can just subtract the two equations, and because negative 3y minus negative 3y is 0 or y variable can be eliminated. So we're going to subtract equation 2 and equation 3. Doing that, we're going to have 6x minus 3y equals negative 6 minus 24x minus 3y equals 21. So 6x minus 24x, the result here will be negative 18x. Then y here will be eliminated. Then negative 6 minus 21, that will be negative 27. Then dividing both sides by negative 18, the same with the first procedure, where we can have the value of x equals 27 over 18 or 3 over 2. So this is the value of x. So what we're going to do next is we're going to substitute this one to any of the two equations. So we can have equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 8x minus y equals 7. So x here is 3 over 2. So we're going to have 8 times 3 over 2 minus y equals 7. Then this is 4 here. This is 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 minus y equals 7. Then this is negative y equals 7 minus 12. Then negative y equals 7 minus 12 is negative 5. Then making this value of y positive, so multiply the equation by negative 1, we're going to have y equals 5. So our solution here will be the point x is 3 over 2, then y is 5. So the same with substitution. So let's have our last example here. We have the system 2x plus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 5y equals 1. Let's have first by substitution. So in here, we can express equation 1 in terms of y. So doing that, we're going to have 3y equals negative 2x, then plus 7. Then dividing both sides by 3, we're going to have y equals negative 2x plus 7 divided by 3. Then substituting this value in equation 2, so we're going to have equation 2, 3x minus 5y equals 1. So 3x here minus 5 times the value of y, negative 2x plus 7 over 3. Then this will be equal to 1. So next here is 3x, then minus 5 times negative 2x is negative 10x, then 5 times 7 is 35. So plus 35 over 3. Then this is equal to 1. So eliminating the denominator 3 here, so we're going to multiply the equation by 3. So 3 times 3x is 9x. Then this is minus 3 times negative 10x plus 35 over 3. That will be negative 10x plus 35. Then this is equal to 3 times 1 is 3. Then operating here, we're going to have 9x plus 10x, then minus 35 equals 3. So 9x plus 10x is 19x. Then 3 plus 35 is 38. Then dividing both sides by 19, we can have x here equals 2. So finding the value of y, we're going to use this one. So we're going to have here y equals negative 2 times the value of x 2 plus 7 over 3. So y here will be equal to negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Then plus 7 over 3. So negative 4 plus 7 is 3. So we're going to have y equals 3 over 3. So that will be equal to 1. Meaning our solution here is the point 2, 1. Then by elimination, if we're going to look at the equations here, we cannot have a variable that has the same numerical coefficient. So what we're going to do here in equation 1, this is 2x plus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 5y equals 1 for equation 2. So to be able to eliminate a variable here, what we're going to do is we're going to make the numerical coefficient of x the same. So doing that, we're going to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So we'll just interchange the numerical coefficients of the two. So this is times 3 and this is times 2. So multiplying that, we're going to have 3 times 2x is 6x. Then 3 times 3y is 9y. 3 times 7 is 21. Then 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 5y is negative 10y. And 2 times 1 is 2. So if we're going to look at here, the variable or the numerical coefficient of x are the same. Now, to be able to eliminate x here, we can simply subtract the 2. So doing that, we're going to have 6x plus 9y equals 21 minus 6x minus 10y equals 2. So 6x minus 6x is 0. 9y minus negative 10y, or 9y plus 10y is 19y. Then 21 minus 2, that will be 19. So dividing both sides by 19, we can have y equals 1. So y equals 1. What we're going to do next is we're going to substitute the value of y equals 1 into either of the two. So let's use equation 2. So equation 2 is 3x minus 5y equals 1. Then y equals 1, so we're going to have 3x minus 5 times 1 equals 1. So this is 3x minus 5 equals 1. Then transposing negative 5 to the left side, we're going to have 1 plus 5, so this is 6. So x here will be equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we have the same solution, the point 2, 1. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.